Hello friends, this is two-phase bar three-phase starter. This starter is for the irrigation purpose motors. When two-phase power supply is there, the starter is switching the capacitors to make a three-phase difference supply for to run the motor for irrigation purposes. And in three-phase supply, this starter is getting on three-phase supply. Okay, it is without capacitor run in the three-phase, and in the two-phase it is run on the capacitors. These contactors and relays are using for the driving the three-phase supply in two-phase and three-phase supply. These contactors and relays are run by this control circuit. This control circuit today nowadays it is very essential to irrigation purpose motors, because the power supply variations and the timings of the supply all are different. We can't go to the land in the night, and every tripping time we can't go to the land. In this type of starter, we put it the motor, it can be run automatically, and open circuit protection and short circuit protection all is there in this starter. This starter, I am opening this is the main contactor. This contactor is operating, but it is not releasing easily. See here, not releasing easily. That's why we open the all contactors and rub the contacting points neatly. Otherwise it will spark is occurs in the contactors. I opening this contactor to see what is trouble in the starter. See here, the spring is there, and this unit is not coming easily. Okay, it is rubbed by the emery paper and put a some small amount of grease for this to operate freely. These coils are 415 volt coils. It is using in the three-phase supply, not a single phase supply. It is three-phase supply. For that purpose, these coils are only 415 volt coils. In these contactors, to make the contactor points to clean and the coil operating system is to be clean with a emery paper and the grease. These insulator plates are struck in this contactor. When it is struck, the contactor points is to be sparking and burning out. See, these center two insulators are change in colors. See, these are the strips are striking, and when the spark is coming in the contactor, the insulators are burned. Okay, I rubbed the insulator point. Now it is freely moving. Okay, when it is freely moving, the contactor contacts are connected easily and the power is freely taken by the switch. Okay, I assembled this contactor and fitted it again. When we open the contactors, we must see the what is the main circuit and which is the control circuit wires, and we must clip the picture of this wiring in the camera for the reference purpose. Okay, otherwise you get a confused. In this unit, the customer is brought from the shop because when three-phase supply is in the line, it is run only two-phase supply. When two-phase supply, the motor is taken high current because of the capacitors are connected in the supply. For that, the motor is taking high current. For that purpose, when three-phase is supply, the motor is run in three-phase only. In three-phase, these capacitors are not connected. In that time, the current of the motor is very less and safely it is run, and the time is very precious. Okay. See, the relay now it is good. The contactor connectors is to be clean and fitted as it is. Okay, the top of this connector contactor is to be fit. Okay, let's check next coil. See here, this coil is not working. This coil is to be not working. Okay, let's opening these contactors. What to be complaint is to be trace. These are all the control circuit. See, there is a no contacts. In this unit, we must check the code test method. When code test method, we must check the all coils and contactor points, whether it is to be sparking or not. When it is sparking, we must clean the contactor points to clean, and next it is to be corrected. This is relay. See, this is the coil is rusted. See, this coil is very rusted and this is not getting the continuity. Okay, let's see, remove this contactor. See how much it is rusted. We can use the anti-rusted spray for this and opening these screws. This is very tight and we can not using roughly. The coil gets damaged. This coil is molded. This is 415 volt coil. When it is in the supply, we can't touch anything because the supply voltage is very high. We prefer only cold test method. Okay, these contactor points is to be remove and clean and emery the contacts of this switch. This 2-bar 3-phase starter is only using for submersible motors, not for any induction motor and it is taken very high current and it is damaged. This irrigation purpose motor also gets heated, but the motor is in the water, the motor heat gets down. Clean the contact points. And these contactors are very useful in the electrical main supply connections. Otherwise, we get a very spark in the switches. This switch is operated by the control circuit. When control circuit is switch on this contactor coil and gets switched on the main supply. This is not hazardous to the human being. These all main contactors are main circuit is operating through the control circuit, not for handle the switches manually. And this PCB board is also programmed and sensing device detection all is there in this icon 2-bar 3-phase power supply control board. Okay, all the contactors now it is good in condition, and cold test method it is right. The main circuit is to be fully tighten the screw, otherwise we get a heating in working condition, then the contactor porcelain are broke down. For that purpose the screws are fully tightened, no loose contact is to be seen. Okay, now it is the contactor section, main section is very good in condition. Now I checking the cold test method. The switches are once it is be the switch is to be burned down. Now I check these all switches are good. See, I put the voltage for this board and something is showing in this reading. It is display is reading whether what happened in the circuit. Okay, when three phase is given, here is the three phase sensing resistors are there. These resistors are in the high value. This high value resistance, when it is showing high value or it is open, the condition of this control circuit is shown different. See here, this is the single contact relay. The big one is three contact relay. These all are single contact relays. See here, the green wire of this unit, something it is to be reading is different. Let's open the PCB board to remove the lead by the desoldering pump. Otherwise, this lead is not to be removed. It is tough. Okay, I removing these all four switches. This unit is running in 440 volt supply in any time. In 24 hours it is in the line. For that purpose, these units are highly complainted. See this high value resistors, sensing resistors. This is connected to the IC for the sensing of two phase, three phase voltages. See, these are all the resistors are good, but this relay coil is not working properly. Okay, I opening this single contact relay. Whether it is good or not, it is showing the coil is burned out. These contactors are very rare condition it is to be used. I checking open circuit method. I take a series wire. There is no coil connection in this unit. This is also a 415 volt supply coil. The coil is not getting in the market. For that purpose, we purchased full set of this unit. See, in the coil they are mentioned 415 volt 50 cycles supply. This is connected to the unit. Okay, the same voltage is to be preferred for same work. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe my channel to see the strangeable units to show you. Thank you for watching. I am checking this unit. See, three phase supply is searched, and three phase is not getting in our shop. Okay, two phase is searching. The time is also showing below. See, 15, 16, 12, 11, 9. Okay, now it is switched on the relays inside this unit, and this is